Good morning again, grade 8. Before you get started on the actual notes for today, I just want you to think about these two questions. These are just to get you thinking. There's no real right or wrong answer. It's really about examining the question and seeing what you come up with. So the first question, the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor before declaring war on the US. Did they have a right to do this? Why or why not? So if you remember back to the video of the Japanese entering the war, them and the Americans were having conversations, but then Pearl Harbor was kind of out of the blue in that they didn't formally declare war. They attacked and tried to defeat the U.S. before they had a chance. Was that the right thing to do? Did they have a right to do that? Why or why not? What do you think? So jot down some ideas. And then number two, if you are at war, any war, as a country, do you have the right to use whatever weapon at your disposal? So maybe it's a weapon that would cause a quick surrender but has a great deal of suffering. Think of poison gas or flamethrowers, or in this lesson, we're talking about the atomic bomb. So do you have the right to use that weapon if it's at your disposal, if you are at war with a country? So just jot down a few ideas for that. You can do it in notes, or you could do it even on the question document that that you have to make at the end, or even just on a piece of paper. It doesn't really matter. I just want you to start thinking about it. You're going to need to use your opinion tomorrow in the lesson that we have. So I'd like you to just start thinking about that today. All right? Thanks.